Oh!
Okay.
Wait, that was such a genuine reaction.
Yeah.
I did not expect that.
Wait.
Yeah, what the frick? Okay. Oh, her. Everyone knows her. No.
Mine is
Yay!
being blown.
Welcome back to my channel.
Oh my god. I think this is like the first time where I've actually like sat in front of
Side,
Yeah.
I think last time you were like on the side.
Yeah,
so,
I was like not in the video.
So today I brought Angela along because we did this last year when we both lived in Korea. And wow, when we both lived in Korea, literally a year ago.
Wait, literally, yeah, a year.
Last September.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we're gonna get straight into it, and I don't want to make this too long, so let's see if I can do this quickly. My hair wasn't red, it was like... Oh, I think this is it. This is it. Yay! What does it say? Find your beautiful self.
So inspirational.
So inspirational.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, I'll go first.
Okay.
First thing we have is Mary and May vegan, niacinamide, very pretty packaging. So, wow, it's so
Wait,
big.
oh yeah, no, I think it is sunscreen because it says SPF 50.
But does it have color? Wow, this is one of the biggest packs I've ever seen.
I think it's just brightening. I think it's just
brightening.
like a chemical sunscreen.
Okay.
Or two. So excited.
So excited.
Ooh. Okay.
Lip balm.
Ooh. Why does it protrude out like that?
It's like she's just
Yeah, mango honey.
Okay, you can have it. I'm allergic to mangoes.
Oh, thank you. I'm gonna use it right now though.
Use it right
now.
Oh,
That's
the bomb.
what. Yeah. Bomb.com. Yeah.
Oh my god, I haven't heard that name in so long.
No, same. But yeah, it kind of.
A little bit like that. Wait, is it a mask or is it a...
Yeah, it's a lip mask.
So much of the footage is just like slowly opening boxes.
Yeah.
I'm like, vitamin C, B3 source to reduce dullness and uneven skin tone. It's not even focused. I'm so sorry. It's cosmetics.
Riedel Shot 100. Okay, this is so interesting.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so cooling. Wait,
Wait, really?
try it. Wait, I'm not gonna lie.
Wait.
I feel like this would sting my skin because it's already like it's not
Wait,
irritating.
actually, no, but
it's like,
I feel a
You
tingle
feel it,
too.
right?
Yeah.
okay, no wonder it's called a Riedel shot. It does something.
Wait, yeah, I'm feeling it, kind of. Wait, what is in
What
here?
is
Wait, I
this?
feel a stinging sensation.
It refines rough skin and dead skin cells to make natural smooth skin.
So it has
It's
an
like-
exfoliant? Because
You're
if
Korean, read the Korean.
if I read it, I don't know if I'll still understand.
I would not do this on my eczema. Like, I wouldn't even try. I'm too scared to.
Loki, I'm scared to use it.
Yeah, what the
I
heck?
don't have sensitive skin.
Oh! We have a deep sea pure water cream.
Okay.
Purito. I haven't seen their blue line. I've only seen like their
The green one, yeah.
I need like hella water creams this winter because my skin is so... God, not my eczema on my hand. I don't think I have to test this. This is like... It's literally just a water cream.
Doritos
Oh, yeah.
kind of like known to be like more like cleaner
Yeah,
in a
yeah,
sense.
yeah.
Centella healing
Oh! I saw this one. Sorry.
Mhm.
Oh, look, I just
Oh,
scared you.
no,
Sorry.
no, you're good, you're good.
There is the beauty balm from Kaji Balm? Kahi Balm. Sorry, why did I miss it? Yeah, Kahi Balm.
I'm trying to see if I can see it.
I'll insert a photo of the Kahi Balm over here too. I think this might be like an affordable option of the Kahi Balm.
Kind of smells like
Why does it smell like a donut?
Yeah. I was like, it smells like horchata or like a donut.
It smells like donuts.
No, but it actually smells like a powdered or glazed donut.
Yeah, it
Yeah.
smells like a... Yo, I'm about to be rubbing glazed donut all over my face. Yo, it's so strong. It smells like a donut, like literally a glazed donut.
Yeah, but just not as good.
It's not as balmy as the Kahi Balm one, but I'll see if it's... Oh my god, it's added a little layer, so we'll see how long it lasts. Because the Kahi Balm really helps me because I have like rough patches, but
Yeah.
even ointment, or not ointment, but lotion and creams are not enough. So I have to add something on top. I might keep this in my bag too. Okay, we have this sunscreen. It looks like the Japanese one. It might be a dupe. Oh, but it smells like a sunscreen.
Oh! The putty erasers that you had as a
Oh.
kid that like have like a candy design on it.
Yeah.
That's like what it smells like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I would use this as a body stick actually. This is good for body.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think for sunscreen,
Close up.
just like a good cream sunscreen is good for your face.
Ooh, okay. This is that good brand. Everyone be talking about the vitamin C. Is this eye patches? Yeah, eye gels. Everyone, okay, I've been talking to some friends and they're like, eye creams are like a scam, which I get it, but in my opinion, I feel like eye creams do make a difference. It does hydrate my skin. I think it's like, if you get gifted an eye cream, take it. Sorry, I'm too lazy to redo my nails. Okay. Whoa, ooh, they're like clear.
Oh wait, it smells good.
Yeah.
But I like how lemon smells.
Yeah.
No, but honestly, I really like eye creams. Like, I used a Laneige one.
I do like eye creams, but I don't know, my friends were like hating on it, and I was like low-key like, it is like the thinnest part of your eye, so you should put it. I like it.
I mean, to be fair, you could just
use
make
normal
it.
cream.
Yeah, you could just use a normal cream, but...
Okay, Pet Balm. This is really good. I think it's these ones, I usually go for the dark color. I don't know if this is the dark, but I like putting the rest on the balm. So this is a very good like travel piece because you can double it. But this is a very good brand. Next 10. Ooh, so big.
Girl, what is this? Does it have something?
Oh, maybe it's just because they were trying to fill the sides.
Yeah.
An eye patch. Eye patch.
Yeah, this is the Black Pearl and Gold Hydrogel.
So far, I really like all the products. I feel like all the products are pretty good.
Yeah, I think they're pretty good.
Yeah.
So it comes with a little spatula.
They all do, but I never use it.
Me neither.
I just pick it out myself. I'm like, I'm already putting it on my eye.
Yeah. Oh, now it's focused.
Okay.
It's exactly the same as this one, just black.
Just black. Okay. Oh, it has maybe like little gold flakes on it or something. But okay.
It's probably not real gold.
Oh, okay. I saw this on the list. I'm not gonna open this because I'm allergic to nuts. It's a chestnut AHA clear essence, but I love this brand. I use the sunscreen like so much. I feel like I've talked about their sunscreen on my story like a bajillion times, and I'm not even sponsored by them. But I really do like their brand. But this is gonna go in the box. Actually, you could take it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Ah,
wait,
Japanese brand.
I remember I was looking at this one. Be like the more pinker one. I know that there's like a red and like a really dark red one. As long as it's a tinted.
Let's just test it, just because we have it. I personally don't really like them, just because I don't find any color. Like I need to have color.
Yeah.
I'm actually I'm gonna do a little shout out for Hints. I love their, I forgot the name of it, but it's like a mix of a balm and a lipstick, but it's so not glossy, but it's balmy, but it's like it has color. So, but it's so hard to find. You can't find it anywhere except their store in Hanamdo.
Wait, what brand?
Huh?
What brand?
Hints.
Oh.
Yeah. So I went to their store to buy it. Again, Hints, please sponsor me. I love your stuff so much.
Can I?
Yeah, you could take this.
Okay, can I try it?
Yes. No, you can't try it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
We have something from Romance.
Wait, I actually used this mascara.
Is it good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay, because my false eyelashes are falling out, so I'm definitely gonna need a mascara.
Let's say you have like a dewy base or something,
under.
it kind of does come off. At least for me, that's what I noticed. But I don't use powder because I like the dewy look.
Yeah, me too.
So that
I have eczema. Why would I use powder?
Right?
That's like double trouble.
Oh, I did hear about this one. The all clear balm.
I don't know what's the difference, but that's cute. Oh, it's very light and nice orange.
Ooh, it
this
smells good. It smells cool.
Ooh!
Oh yeah, Mandarin.
I'm obsessed with the little size. I love little size
so
things.
Cute.
Yeah, I'm like sitting sideways. This is a Retinol Intense Advanced Triple Eye Cream.
Ooh.
Sewn by me. I really like the brand, the green stuff. It's really good for acne. I've used the whole line before, but I haven't seen the purple one yet, so that's cool.
Shadow. Ooh, I love liquid shadows.
Yeah, last time we did this, you took all the shadows because I don't use the glimmers.
Okay.
Looking at the personal color test, shimmers don't go for me. Eyeshadows. I haven't worn eyeshadow since last year. Like, she was right.
Really?
Yeah, I don't wear eyeshadow ever.
Okay, wait, actually this is really nice. More like a rose gold color, which I don't have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I really need hand cream because my eczema has been going.
Yeah, it kind of...
I like it though. I like it.
It's like a powdery smell with like jasmine.
Mm.
Girl, tell me why my hand still stings.
Still?
Yeah.
Mine's gone already.
Like when I put the hand lotion on, it stings.
Ah!
Concerning.
Yeah, that shit's tough. That shit's scary.
But it might feel different. It could be because my hands are just so dry too that it's like... Yeah. Oh wait, actually, I use this brand, like this serum, just not the number 3. I use number 6 or 5 for, but this serum.
I think this brand's starting to rise a little bit. Like,
yeah.
It's starting to show up in places.
This one's actually really, really moisturizing.
Okay.
Like, I use the toner pad for this one, but it's very like... my hand's shaking. So the number 6, like the light blue one, smells pretty good.
Okay.
This one kind of smells a little bit more chemically than the blue one.
But it doesn't sting my hand, so that's how you know there's not anything intense in there. I love this brand, but I'm not a lippy girl. So this is a non-sticky, light and comfort texture, shimmer and glossy lip tint.
Oh, that's very descriptive.
Yeah. Oh, okay, wait. Let me take that back.
The packaging looks a little classy.
Look at this. Ooh. Okay, wait. But the thing is, every time you apply color, it turns out different than how you...
Oh, okay.
Wait, I'm gonna take that back.
Wait, is it moisturizing? Because it looks pretty
moisturizing.
Yeah.
Wait, I'll try it later today. Wait, I take that back. Wait!
Dude, that actually looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
It smells nice too.
No, it smells really good. It smells yummy.
Wait, actually, we don't need to do it because everyone knows what this is.
Okay, yeah. This thing.
I'm not surprised, but yeah, everyone has this. I'm not even gonna talk about it. Oh my god. Not her.
Oh my gosh. I feel like this is something that...
I'm gonna be honest, wait, were you gonna say something?
I'll hold back. You can talk first. Okay, I was gonna say that I think a lot of like older people tend to lean towards this brand.
Really?
I think so.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why is that?
I mean, ginseng.
Okay.
I think that appeals more to like older people, like more mature skin, because there's like
not the younger generation.
There are products that work for mature skin and work better on younger skin, and so that's why I think that this is more popular for people who are older.
Okay. One, I like brands that are affordable. Not that they're not, but I feel like they are more on the pricier side. 2, their sunscreen has stung my skin here. Everyone loves it, and I tried it again. Like I don't know if you saw it in my bathroom, but like. I think the watery is very nice and it doesn't dry out my skin, but it's not as hydrating as the Innisfree one. Innisfree. And it does sting my skin. And because my skin's been so bad for so long, I haven't used it in a long time.
Right.
But this... Oh, it's like yellow.
Oh.
Okay, almost done.
22.
Yeah, you're even.
For night mask.
Ooh, this is a cool brand. I forgot what I used of theirs. Oh, they're masks. The face mask. Okay, wait. So the face mask that I used on the airplane, I really do like the brand, but my skin was so cut at the time, so I just couldn't. Oh!
Okay.
Wait, that was such a genuine reaction. Yeah. I did not expect that.
Wait, yeah. Wait. Why is she kind of...
Just like a Jello.
It smells fresh. The texture is very, very interesting.
I've never seen a texture like this before. God.
It's kind of like aloe vera gel consistency.
Yo, this is cool though. Rice probiotic overnight mask, barrier jelly. Actually, I will try this. I'll see how it turns out. Dude, this is 40 minutes.
Oh my god.
I said, let's film this in 10.
You know what? It's fine. It's fun. It's fun.
It's fun. It's fun. I hope whoever's watching this is having a good time. Okay. Oh, we like her.
Oh, okay.
Wait, they saved the best for last. Actually, yeah, it's pretty good. This is like the Skin 1004. I really like their Madagascar serum because, right, I have cut skin, but I use their serum to hydrate my skin. Absolutely no cuts. Wait, no, it doesn't sting and it doesn't burn at all. So I've been told that their hydration line's pretty good, and I've used their serum. Oh my god, I'm not making any sense. But
oh. I don't know how to describe it. There is like a very
this is a sunscreen smell. This is a sunscreen type.
Wait, is this a sunscreen?
Yeah. It's a sun serum. So it's like very hydrating. And this is also a hydrating line. So if you have extremely dry skin, which I know I will this winter, I'm gonna go up on this. Wow.
I did put a lot though.
Okay.
Like a lot more than I wanted to.
Okay, yeah.
But actually, no, this seems really nice for people with dry skin.
Dry skin. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this haul. Oh god. This unboxing. It's been a long time since I've done this, and I actually might keep this video a little bit long just for funsies. But I'm gonna link everything in my Shop My page. Shop My page, all the individual products if you do want to buy them individually. But this advent calendar, I know STYLEVANA, I forgot the percentage of it, but they dropped down the prices a lot. Just saying, this year versus last year. Wait, I didn't even see you. I just turned around. No, I was gonna say, like, this year versus last year is so much better, right? Like, the stuff this year, there's actually good name brands, and the products are actually good, even if they're not name brands. So, wait, hold on. Pause the video. Wait, I hope my thing doesn't die. My mom has kept my advent calendar from last year.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, or something. Wait. Okay, I know this is a STYLEVANA video, but literally...
The boxes are falling.
Wait, I'm gonna move this back to normal. Mom has kept my, this is from last year, last winter. Okay, I think she took some stuff out, but we've kept this box, so I guess we can use this one for organizing. Anyway, moving your style back. Alright, thanks again so much for watching. And thank you, Angela, for joining me. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and follow socials and all that. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace! Dude, that was so funny. My legs were like this in my 0.5. Dude, I've been like biting everything at the end. You know when you eat with your friends and everyone's just doing this? I'm like lazy, or not lazy, but I'm bored, so I'm just like eating already.
Oh
I'm
my
like,
gosh.
let's see. That's good. Look at you.
I'm like, oh my gosh. That sounds like a demon spawn, dude.
I'm like... Wait, okay, thumbnail. Crap.
Oh.
Okay. Here, get in it.
I'm gonna do one of those clickbait YouTuber
Yeah.
stuff where it's like, oh.
Okay, wait, I gotta sit down here. Okay. Whoa, this actually looks like a lot of stuff. And it is.
Oh my goodness.
Oh god, it's not even like I can hide from the camera. I'm literally front and center screen.
Oh, are you okay?
Ew. Okay. Bye. Dude, there's a dance. New jeans. I'm super shy. Oh, ew. Bye.